reference is to relate to something. In tracking, referencing relates tracking coordinate systems. For example, the local coordinate system of markers is often different from that of the target that you want to track. The process by which we determine this relationship between the marker local coordinate system and the target coordinate system is what we call the tool digitization.
Tool digitization involves using a tool to create a new coordinate system. You can do that in order to define anatomical landmarks or anatomical axes. For example, if you wanted to tell the system where a patient's head is in space, you may have a reference rigid body attached to the patient's head, and then you use a second tool with a tooltip, and you can digitize the location of the temples, the bridge of the nose, chin, or other landmarks which are not going to move relative to that reference rigid body.
So part of the tool characterization process is you want to locate where the markers are relative to each other on the tool. And so we call that the local tool coordinate system. So if you pick the origin of the tool to be one of the markers, then it'll be a certain distance to each of the markers on the tool, and we want to define that in that local coordinate space. So when the tool is being tracked by our system, it can be reported in the global coordinate system based on the transformation that we return from the system.